Vilsonovo Promenade, also known as Vils, stretching over 2 kilometers along the river, is an ideal place for a morning jog, cycling, or simply strolling with friends and family. With its wide tree-lined avenue, Vils offers pleasant shade during hot summer days, and in autumn, it transforms into a picturesque oasis of golden yellow hues. An interesting fact is that Vilsonovo Promenade was named after U.S. President Woodrow Wilson, one of the leading global figures during World War I. The name was given in gratitude for his role in promoting peace and international cooperation. Adding to the charm of this place is the fact that car traffic is closed in the evening and over the weekends, further enhancing the peace and quiet one can find here. Vilsonovo Promenade is where nature and the city meet in perfect harmony, providing ideal conditions for escaping the city's hustle and bustle.